Are you serious with this view? This is amazing. Welcome to Las Vegas, a city that's known for its luxury and where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. I'm Dani702, and in today's episode, we are here at the Westgate Las Vegas, where we are going to get an exclusive look at a handful of some of the most outrageous, most luxurious suites in all of the city. They just unveiled a brand new themed suite that's pure glamour, but we're not stopping there. Forget those cookie cutter hotel rooms, folks. They have the craziest and full-blown immersive suites in town. We're checking in today at least for a few hours, and we're gonna be touring some of the most extravagant, craziest, wildest suites that you can find pretty much anywhere. You may know Westgate for its deep ties with Elvis, and this hotel is iconic, but they've also taken the concept of a hotel suite and doubled down. From playful to downright spooky, from luxurious to, well, let's just say unique, the details in their suites are absolutely bonkers. Room key and coffee achieved. We're here on the 29th floor, heading to our very first suite. Their newest suite at that. As we're walking to the new suite, I'm seeing the Santa Fe suite, I saw a Hollywood suite, country club suite. Welcome to the Lucky Bunny suite. This is incredible. This isn't just any themed room. It's a nostalgic nod to Playboy bunnies, which fits right in with the symbol of classic Vegas glamour and playful sophistication. Just look at this beautiful suite. It's not only these kind of bunnies, but these kind of bunnies as well. It's a full-on luxurious tribute, complete with plush decor, iconic imagery, and enough playful accents to transport you to Vegas chic and pink. I mean, did you notice the pink in here? I am in a suite heaven. This suite is over 1,600 square feet, and it has one king room, a living room, a separate dining room, a bar. Should I do it? I'm gonna do it. Oh no, what'd I do? All right, I didn't get any champagne, but let's keep walking around. This is the front room bathroom, AKA the powder room. I love the sink, but I love the walls even more. Now this suite is designed in collaboration with Sandy Taylor, who is an actress and a playmate. And it's a perfect example of blending historical Playboy elements with modern luxury. It's a fantastic place for a unique stay. I'm only getting to tour this, but oh my God, this suite is straight out of my dreams. Once you pass the bar, you enter a little kitchen area. There's a coffee maker, a microwave, a mini fridge. Let's see, is it stocked? No. This whole dining room, 8 seats. Oh my God, look at this view. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And so there's one king bed, plush bedding, loving the pinks and the whites. Look at the wall, even the wall is plush. The front area has a powder room, but look at this. A huge bathroom connected to the bedroom. This is really cool. So you got your shower, a freestanding shower. It comes with your pink robe, of course. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, can I take those home with me? There's 2 sinks, his and hers. Even more slippers over here. An area where you can hide your clothes if you're hanging it and you don't want to see it for whatever reason. And then a separate bathroom in here too. An interesting choice of seating next to the throne. What an absolute beautiful suite. Can you imagine staying here for the night? I don't think I would want to leave. If only. I like the little just random accessories that you're finding. A lot of random rabbits, which of course, the Playboy rabbits. What's funny is some of these I have. Pretty sure I either got them at Target or the dollar store even. This is fantastic though. Wake up, take a bath with this incredible view. Yes please. Speaking of the view, let's go look at the outdoor patio. Oh, wow. Okay, this is one incredible incredible view. Okay, seriously, this is amazing. The Lucky Bunny Suite is located on the 29th floor, and I feel like, at least on this tower, this is the top. Yep, I don't see any other floors above this one. Maybe in the main tower, there might be a floor above that one, which might even be the Elvis Suite. You can see almost everything, this whole strip, down to Mandalay Bay. You can't quite see past Sahara here. This is a pretty epic view of the Sphere too. Look at that. This is awesome. Wow. All right, that suite was straight out of my dreams. Absolutely beautiful. But that's not all, because our room key is gonna give us access to 6 more themed rooms here at the Westgate. Welcome to the Flower Suite here at the Westgate. Also looking mighty pink. Oh my goodness though, are you serious? How freaking cool is this? This is wild. This is a 1,000 square foot suite, and it's like stepping into a garden in full bloom. Tastefully appointed floral art, adorned flourishes, and soft pastel hues at every turn. It's kind of like stepping into a dream. In the Flower Suite, it is spring year-round in Las Vegas, and you can get multiple senses in here. Not only can you see all the beautiful flowers, but it also smells like beautiful flowers in here. There's a full kitchen with a microwave, a coffee maker, a mini fridge. You got your whole bar area where you can make your cocktails. Now this one is smaller than the last one we saw, but it's just as pretty. I'm loving the darker pinks and the purples and the darker hues over the pastels, though pastels is my jam right now. At home, you'll see a lot of pastel pinks all over my house. Look at this. This is the wall. A wall full of petals. Oh my God, I'm so bummed that I don't have someone with me to help me take photos, because these freaking suites are amazing, and this is only our second one. I can only imagine what else we have in store today. So this is an elegant 1-bedroom layout. It has 2 full baths and the bar space. This is kind of the perfect room to have some champagne with the girls. We need that champagne bill up here. And now here's the main bathroom. You got your closet space there. And then this bathroom looks very similar to the front one, but this one has got a shower and tub combo. And it's perfect for maybe a bachelorette party or a girls' weekend or any sort of celebration, really. So suite number 2, I'm pretty sure we're gonna view 7 in total today. But they have a lot at this resort, from petals to spurs. Next up, the Cowboy Suite. Howdy partner, and welcome to the Cowboy Room, complete with fun pick spots. This suite is over 1,400 square foot, and it's a Wild West retreat that brings the rustic charm to Vegas. You've got leather furnishings, warm wood accents, and of course the stunning view of the Las Vegas Sphere and the rest of the skyline. It's kind of like stepping into a Wild West saloon, but with the luxury of a Vegas suite. You got your billiards table, there's a living space over here, a living room area with your TV, leather couches in this one, complete opposite colors of that last one we went through. So the last room was more for the bachelorettes, and then this room I can see for the bachelors. And they're kind of close to each other, just right down the hall. 1 king-size bedroom, fit for a cowboy. I love this though, they thought of everything, even the window panels fit in. This could be the pre-game room, where everybody meets up, play a few games of pool before you head out on the town. I got 2 options here. We got the Plaid Suite and the Day of the Dead Suite. Let's head in this way. Now this suite embraces the vibrant celebration of life and culture. Talk about an immersive room. So this room is over 1,100 square feet, and it's like stepping into a celebration of life. You got the festive colors, authentic decor, and carefully crafted sugar skull displays. All curated by the Westgate team too. It's like bringing the rich tradition of Dia de los Muertos to life. It's definitely something very comforting about this room. You got a kitchen, perfect for preparing some traditional Mexican snacks, and of course a wet bar for margaritas and cervezas, and a king-sized bedroom. It's so colorful and so vibrant. The only thing that's missing in this room is the lateria. Right across the way we've got the Plaid Suite. Oh My goodness, with this one. They were not joking when they named this the Plaid Suite. This 1,000 square foot suite is like stepping into a stylish retreat. Every detail in here is woven into plaid perfection. I'm thinking that this one can mess with your eyes a little bit after a few drinks because the plaid in here can be a little hypnotic. You got your kitchen and bar, a dining space, and a living room area. That is one heck of a TV. Holy freaking moly, that's huge. This one has 2 separate bathrooms with a shower and tub combo. Jeez. There's so much plaid. Plaid chair, plaid curtains, plaid walls, and they're plush at that too. Plaid Elvis. This is one heck of a room. Oh my goodness. Every inch of this space is designed with a stylish texture and very bold aesthetics. All right, friends, I'm very excited about these last 2. I've been wanting to see these for a while, and we got quite the opposites. Welcome to the Christmas suite. So if it were up to me, it would be Christmas year-round. And apparently, if it was up to the Westgate, it would also be Christmas year-round. This is so cool! Christmas is my absolute favorite holiday. Every year, I decorate my house like crazy for Christmas, and every year I get so sad when I have to take him down. You got your dining room table, a spacious living area, there's 2 bathrooms in here, there's blackout curtains for late night Christmas movie marathons, and of course all your modern amenities. This suite is 1,500 square feet of pure holiday cheer. This place sleeps 2, but honestly, it's big enough to host Santa's entire workshop. Very fitting mugs next to the coffee maker and microwave, and of course you still got a mini fridge in here. This isn't just a few ornaments thrown on a branch, it's a fully blown festive suite. These nutcrackers are just as tall as I am. They went all out. And of course, no holiday celebration is complete without a festive bar. Imagine toasting to the holiday spirit right here any time of the year. Even the bathrooms are themed. Look, Elf on the Shelf. Fall asleep here with the beautiful Christmas tree lights on. And then in the back of that, you got that amazing backdrop where you can see the Vegas lights. Okay, I kind of don't want to leave this one. This one is going to be hard to beat, but our next one is going to be the complete opposite. Let's just say things are going to get a little spooky. Welcome to the Westgate's Halloween suite, where it's a fright fest year-round in here. Talk about setting the mood. This is a 1,100 square foot suite, and it's all about thrills and chills 365 days a year. There's definitely something spooky around every corner, like this guy here. What the heck? That's scary. At least it was open. Imagine opening this up to put your clothes in there and finding that guy. Sheesh. And I wasn't sure what to expect with the Halloween suite. I thought it was gonna be a little silly, but it's so much more gothic and dark than I expected, which I freaking love. Ew, oh my God. That scared me. Maybe I don't want to sleep in this one. One king bedroom, and if you look up, you got giant spiders sleeping over you. Yeah, talk about something spooky around every corner. Afraid someone's gonna jump scare me as I'm walking around. All right, we're good, we're clear. Gosh. What the f? Oh no. Okay, no. Full kitchenette, spooky decor included. I think this one's got my favorite kitchen out of all of them though. The glasses here, that's cool. That first room definitely spoke to my girly pink side, and this room is a talking to me with my dark and gothic side. I kind of like this room a lot. However, I can do without Pennywise staring me down. All right, I'm warming up to it. I actually really like this room. I think it's pretty fantastic. Who knew that you can celebrate Christmas, Halloween, Day of the Dead, your girly side, your cowboy side, your plaid side, year round here at the Westgate. I don't know which one was my favorite one. I'm really warming up to this one. I just really like the Gothic decor. Of course, the Christmas one was one that I really wanted to see. Their newest one was huge and you cannot beat that patio. But if you had a choice, which room would you stay in? Until next time, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more adventures in Las Vegas and the surrounding areas, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.